Jim Hankinson with Back to Wellness Chiropractic. Today we have Gabby in the office. Gabby is a dancer. She started coming in about 6 months ago with upper back, neck pain, shoulder pain, and hip pain. So right now she's on a maintenance care program, so she comes in about once a month to stay tuned up so all of her aches and pains don't come up and bother her anymore. So first thing we're going to do is have her lay on her back. We're going to stretch her out. Okay, lay face up. So I like to do this with all my patients, especially the athletic patients and active patients. It helps to loosen up the pelvis a little bit, get the hips moving easier, and causes less strain on the low back. Gabby's very flexible being a dancer. Okay, do this side here. That side feels tighter today. Come this way. She usually has a lot of hypertonicity in her muscles and her low back and shoulders. Hypertonicity is tight muscles. You usually end up doing some muscle work on her hips and her shoulders to loosen those up. She loves that. Okay. Now I'm going to do what's called a hip distraction. I'm just going to grab onto her leg. I'm just going to pull down real quick. This helps to open up the knee joint and the hip joint. Good. All right, so flip over on your stomach for me, okay? All right. So I'm going to check her leg lengths. Take her shoes off. Sometimes her pelvis is really off. Legs look good today. Find some tight areas in her back. When I push her right here, I feel her squirming a little bit. Okay. Give me a deep breath. All the way out. Okay. One more time. Deep breath. All the way out. I'm going to do one more time right here, okay? Deep breath. Blow it out. There we go. All right. All right, now lay on your side towards me, okay? So bring this leg up towards your stomach. Just hold right there. Good. Turn on the other side. Same thing here. Very nice. Okay, lay flat on your back. We're going to get you down, okay? You got some restrictions right here on this side. How's that feel? Pretty tight?
Yes, tight.
Okay. Just stretch you out. Maybe lift up here as I pull your hair. Relax your head. You okay?
Yeah,
You
it's
know
tight.
hurt? All right, relax. So I'm just going to hold some pressure here on these muscles in her neck. Let your hip go. It's kind of called trigger point therapy. By pushing on the trigger points, it helps to alleviate the pressure in that area, and it gets the trigger point to dissolve. Not the most pleasant feeling in the world, but it really does help. Okay, now rotate it this way, just relax. Good. Right into this joint, take a deep breath, blow it out. Good, okay. Okay, once you set up, swing your legs out to the left. Okay, how do you feel?
Good.
All right, so if you like the video, share it with your friends. Let everybody know that we work on all types of people, kids, adults, athletes, dancers. Like the video, go to our website, stlbackdoc.com. And if you like what we do, please give us a call. We'd love to work with you. Thanks.